Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos today.
What are we making today?
Today, we're making swimming jellyfish.
They're very cute.
Yeah.
I love it. Before we get started, we're going to do a breathing exercise to get us ready to do the craft. And so we thought it would be fun to do a breathing exercise of a jellyfish. So what you're going to do is you're going to breathe in, and on the exhale, you're going to show your jellyfish tentacles. Okay, so we'll do it 2 times together. Ready, Peggy?
Okay, ready.
Okay. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. All right.
Great. I like that.
Thanks. So what do we need today?
Today, we need paper plates, paint, blue and another color, yarn, googly eyes, popsicle stick, glue or tape, scissors.
Okay, great. What's the first step?
All right, so the first step is we're going to take one of your paper plates and paint it blue. That's going to be the ocean. And then you're going to take you can either draw a jellyfish shape on the inside of another paper plate, or if you have a piece of cardboard, a back of a cereal box you can use. So you're going to cut out a jellyfish shape like this. And then you're going to paint that whatever color you want your jellyfish to be. So I did mine pink.
Okay,
So
I did
the first step,
like
right. First step is painting and cutting the jellyfish shape.
okay, and we did that already. So
Right.
next step is you want to make your jellyfish. So first step is you want to put some eyes on it. I didn't have googly eyes, so I'm just going to draw my eyes with a
Right, you can do that. And if you have googly eyes, you can put them on, but like Gail said, you don't have to.
All right.
I just happen to have some fun googly eyes.
Great. All right, so I'm just drawing mine on like that. Can I see yours, Peggy? Oh, cute. I like those eyes. And then the next step is I have pre-cut a bunch of strands of yarn.
Right, and I
Like,
did the same.
okay, mine are maybe like 4 or 6 inches. And then all I'm going to do is take a piece of tape and I'm going to lay them out. I'm just going to show you 2 right now, but I'm going to lay them out like that on the back and tape it like that.
Okay, and if you prefer to use glue, you could always just squirt a strip of glue along the back and place the yarn on top of that.
Yes. And so I'm just right now taping down the rest to show you how quickly you can get the tentacles on there. There you go. You did too. And then
I need to trim mine.
needs a little haircut. And then the last step for this part is you want to attach a popsicle stick to the back of your jellyfish. And you can do this by gluing it on. You could tape it on. I actually found a popsicle stick that has adhesive on it. And so I am just peeling off the back and attaching it like that. So your back doesn't matter how it looks. And then this is my front.
Right, so I didn't have a popsicle stick, or I couldn't find my popsicle sticks. So I used a plastic knife that I'm just gonna do the same thing, tape, glue it on the back. And if you don't have a popsicle stick, you can also maybe use a straw, like a sturdy straw, or
From outside, really anything that will hold
exactly.
like that.
So I'm gonna just put mine on the back.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
And then the last step is you're going to take your paper plate, that's the ocean, and this is a part that you might want to get help from a parent or a caregiver or somebody older who can help you out, because you need to, you're going to fold it over and take your scissors and make a little clip in like that, and then you can unfold it and then cut along to the sides. So you have a slit going all the way across.
I did mine already, which goes all the way
Right.
there.
And then is the fun part where you stick, it's kind of like a puppet.
Yeah.
Stick it through that slit and you have your swimming jellyfish. I feel like they're dancing too.
They are. Awesome.
They're cute.
I know. They're really cute.
Yeah. So I forgot I have a silly jellyfish joke, and it's pretty easy to get, so I'm sure you'll get it.
Okay.
What kind of fish goes best with a peanut butter sandwich?
Well, I might have figured it out, Peggy, but I want to hear you give the answer.
A jellyfish.
Yay. Thank you.
They also say that the jellyfish are probably sad because there's no peanut butter fish.
Oh, I think you might be right.
Well, we hope you had fun and that you try out our jellyfish.
Yes, and if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Have fun.
Bye.
Bye.